Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you a Payoneer alternative to create a virtual bank account and get a virtual card that you can use for PayPal if you are in one of the restricted countries. So if this is something that you're interested in and you would like to know more, continue watching this video and I'm going to show you this Payoneer alternative I'm talking about. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Sham, and on this channel I make videos about how to make money online. As you can see on the screen, I've made many videos that can help you get started on making money online, and also I talk about different business ideas you can also start. So if this is something you're interested in, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel and please don't forget to click the notification bell to come back to watch my videos. And of course, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because once you give it a thumbs up, YouTube will put my videos out there for more people to benefit from. So thank you all. So like I said before, today I'll be showing you a Payoneer alternative that you can use to also create a virtual bank account and get a virtual card. For those of you who want to make money online but you live in one of the restricted countries, that there are some countries that PayPal has restricted from withdrawing money. In order for you to withdraw money from this country, you need a virtual bank account or a virtual card that is not in one of these restricted countries. So with this new alternative, you can create a virtual bank account from the US, UK. You can own a bank account virtually from the US, UK, and also you can have a virtual card from the US, UK, and other countries that are authorized by PayPal. So this is what this video is all about. Let me just take you to the website and show you. This will be a short video, but let me just take you to the website and show you this new PayPal alternative. So this new website is called, it's not new, but it's, let's say it's new, many people don't know about it. So this website is called wise.com. If you've heard about TransferWise before, they are now Wise. You can see on the screen, TransferWise is now Wise. TransferWise is actually for sending money all around the world, but many people do not know that they can also use TransferWise, which is now Wise, to create a virtual bank account and also get a virtual credit card. So that's what I'll be showing you today. So when you come to the website, you will see that you can send money all over the world, but that is not what we are focused on today. We are focused on how you can use Wise to get a virtual bank account. So you can see TransferWise can be used in any country in the world, so we are not limited. So if you create an account with them and you create your virtual bank account, you'll be able to transfer the money anywhere you want in the world. So you see, this is a great alternative. You can transfer the money through mobile money. So if your money is in the account, so if you have your money in the TransferWise account, you can just send it through mobile money to your mobile money. You can do however you want. You can transfer it from your Wise bank account, which is virtual, to your mobile money, and you'll be able to use it. So if you have PayPal money, all you need to do is to connect your Wise card to your PayPal account, and when you receive your earnings through PayPal into your Wise card, you can then transfer that money into your mobile bank account. So this is a very good alternative for Payoneer. If you don't know how to use Payoneer, or you are finding difficulties using Payoneer for any reason, you can also try Wise. So Wise also has the same alternative as Payoneer. So in order for you to get started, of course you need to register. So you have to register. So all you need, I already have an account, I'm already using this, so that's why it's having my email address, but you need to register with just your email address. So once you register, it's going to now take you to the back end. So now let's get into the back end of the Wise account. So I've registered and I now have an account with Wise. So you can see here on my left hand side, you can see here you have everything. You can send money. If you have an account, if you've already opened a virtual bank account with them, you can send the money however or wherever you want to send. And then you can see here cards, and then you can see here accounts. So you can open an account in Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, and a Canadian account, a European account, a US account. So, and these are the accounts that are needed. These are the bank accounts that are needed for PayPal. So when you create these accounts, you can then register, you can then connect or link these bank accounts to your PayPal account, and then you can start receiving money through PayPal, and then you can withdraw through your Wise account. So that's how it works. So now, in order for you to create an account, you can see I've already searched some. You just need to click open an account. So once you click open an account, you're going to choose the currency, let me say British, and then you choose confirm. And then the next thing you need to do is to get the account details, the virtual account details. So in order for you to get that, you need to go through a process. So we'll just click here to see the process we have to go through in order to get that account. So you are going to get a European IBAN, SWIFT, BIG, all this information that is needed to register for PayPal if you want to use it for PayPal, or you can just use it. You can connect this account to your Payoneer account if you do have one. So you just need to get the details. So you get account details. So you need to choose. So we are doing British pounds, and then you click here, get account details. So once you click get account details, it's going to tell you what you need to do. So the catch here is this is not free. You need to make a deposit. It's not like you're paying for the account, but you need to deposit something. Like you, even when you go to the physical bank to open an account, you know that you have to deposit. So for them, you have to deposit at least $20 in order for you to create the account, and then you identify yourself. That's all. So you deposit your $20 into your account, which is yours. It's not like they are taking it. No, they are not taking it. You just deposit it into the account in order to make it in order to activate it, and then you show proof of an ID. The proof should be an ID, a passport, a national ID card, no matter the country you're from, and then they'll just create a bank account for you immediately. They'll give you all the details of the UK bank account, and you can then use that details now to sign in for. You can then use the details to link to your PayPal account if you want to use PayPal, or to link to any other website or whatever you want to use it for. If you want to link it to your Amazon, if you want to buy online, shop online, no matter the reason you want to use it for, you're playing games, you can use that account. So in order to get details, you need to add money, verify your ID card, and done, you have your account. And then now the next thing is you can see here cards. So you can also order a card, which means that after creating the account, you can order a card. The card will be sent to you, but the card is going to cost you. So it's just $9 for the card. So they will send you the account, they will send you the card, and the card will be a MasterCard. So you can use this card on any ATM in the world. So you can use the card to withdraw your money that you've added into this account. So it works the same as Payoneer. So that's why I thought I should bring you this alternative for Payoneer. For those of you who are not very good with Payoneer, or you're facing difficulties with Payoneer, you can try this other alternative called wise.com. You can open any bank account from any country. There are a lot of countries, but the most important ones are US, and so you can open a bank account from any country. You got US bank account, Great Britain, European, Canada, Australia. You can have all of these bank accounts virtually. And another thing I wanted to let you guys know, you can also make money through Wise. You can invite friends and earn up to $75 US. So earn $75 US for every 3 friends who earn $75 US for every 3 friends who transfer over $300 US. They get a free transfer up to 500 GDP. So you can also use this to also make money through Wise. So guys, this is what I had for you today. I hope this video was helpful. If you have a question about this Payoneer alternative, leave it in the comment section and I'm going to do my best to answer. And please don't forget to like this video. I really appreciate it when you like it, and when you like it, you help my video to really go to more people. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel to enjoy the videos I make. Thank you so much, and see you next time when I make another video. Bye bye.